Hello students, good morning everyone. Today let us see exercise 8.4, question number 7. If A vector, B vector and C vector are the position vectors of triangle ABC, that is the vertices, then show that the area of triangle ABC is 1 by 2 modulus of A vector cross B vector plus B vector plus cross C vector plus C vector cross A vector. Also deduce the condition for collinearity. So here it is given that the position vectors. So I can take it as OA vector. Let O be the origin. Therefore OA vector is equal to A vector. And the OB vector is equal to B vector. OC vector is equal to C vector. Then I want to find the AB vector is equal to, see this is the triangle. So A, B, C. I want to find AB and AC. So AB vector is equal to OB vector minus OA vector is equal to B vector minus A vector. And AC vector is equal to OC vector minus OA vector, which is equal to C vector minus A vector. So AB cross AC. Now I want to find area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of AB vector cross AC vector is the formula. Now let me deduce this. Okay. So இதை முதல்ல find out பண்ணுவோம். So area is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of AB vector. What is AB vector? B minus A. So B vector minus A vector cross AC vector. AC vector என்னது? C minus A. So C vector minus A vector modulus, which is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of distribute over addition. அதே மாதிரி subtraction. So first take B cross C. B cross C. B vector cross C vector. And then B and A. So minus plus minus. So minus B vector cross A vector. And then second and first. Minus A vector cross C vector. And then minus minus plus A vector cross A vector. So which is equal to. Now இப்போ ஆர்டரா இல்லாதத ஆர்டரா மாத்துங்க. சேம் வெக்டர் ரிப்பீட் ஆச்சுன்னா 0. That is A cross A is 0. So 1 by 2 modulus of B vector cross C vector. So இதை ஆர்டர் மாத்துனா minus A cross B வரும். Minus minus plus A cross B. This also இதை ஆர்டர் மாத்துனா minus C cross A வரும். So minus minus plus C vector cross A vector. So this is the area of triangle. So we want to prove this one only. Area of triangle is 1 by 2 A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A. So we got the answer right orderly. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of A vector cross B vector plus B vector cross C vector plus C vector cross A vector. Now we want to find the, that is we want to deduce the condition of collinearity. We know that if the points are collinear, then the area of triangle is equal to 0. So we know that if the points are collinear, then the area of triangle is equal to 0. So area of triangle here is 1 by 2 modulus of A vector cross B vector plus B vector cross C vector plus C vector cross A vector is equal to 0. If I bring this 1 by 2 this side, therefore the required condition is modulus of A vector cross B vector, B vector cross C vector plus C vector cross A vector is equal to 0. So which is the, this is the required condition of collinearity. required condition for collinearity. ஸோ அப்போ கொலினியர்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும்னா இந்த வேல்யூவை எடுத்து ஈக்குவல் டு ஜீரோன்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணாலே we can say that it is collinear, the points are collinear அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். Now question number 8. Now question number 8. For any vector A vector, prove that modulus of A vector cross I cap the whole square plus modulus of A vector cross J cap the whole square plus modulus of A vector cross K cap the whole square is equal to 2 into modulus of A vector the whole square. Now let us take A vector is equal to A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap. Now first let me find the A vector cross I cap is equal to. So take I, J, K. A vector oda components A1, A2, A3. I vector அப்படின்னு எடுத்தோம்னா it is I only is there, so the coefficient of I is 1, J is 0, K is 0. So expand through this R3 வழியா the determinant value find out பண்ணோம்னா take this 1 alone. So இதை மட்டும் சால்வ் பண்ணுங்க. A3 J vector minus A2 K vector. So now find the modulus of A vector cross I cap is equal to square root of, take the coefficient A3 the whole square plus A2 the whole square. If I take the whole square here, square root will be cut off. So appo modulus of A vector cross I cap the whole square is equal to, இப்ப the square root cancel பண்ணிட்டு எழுதிக்கலாம். So A3 the whole square plus A2 the whole square. So similarly we want to find A cross J. அப்ப A vector cross J cap is equal to, once again take the determinant. So A vector A1, A2, A3 அதோட components. J vector எடுக்கும்போது I 0, J 1, K 0. So இப்போ இந்த determinant, that is இந்த row வழியா, இந்த rowனா I can solve only 1. So இது plus minus plus, அப்போ minus 1 into இந்த காலமும் இதுக்குரிய ரோவும் மறைச்சுக்கிட்டோம்னா this ij a1 a3 இருக்கு. So இந்த ரெண்டையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா a3 I cap minus a1 k cap. So இப்ப மைனஸ் உள்ள கொண்டு போனோம்னா it is இது பிளஸ் ஆயிடும். So a1 k cap a3 minus a3 k minus a3 I cap plus a1 K cap. Now find the modulus of A vector cross J cap is equal to square root of A3 the whole square plus A1 the whole square. A1 the whole square. So now take modulus of A vector cross J cap the whole square, which is equal to A3 the whole square plus A1 the whole square. Then அதே மாதிரி A vector cross K cap find out பண்ணிக்கோங்க. A vector cross K cap is equal to, once again take a determinant I, J, K. A யோட components A1, A2, A3. K na K யோட value 1, J and I 0. இப்போ இந்த 1 வழியா, இப்போ இந்த காலமும் இந்த ரோவும் மறைச்சுக்குவோம், இந்த மைனர் மட்டும் சால்வ் பண்ணுவோம். So the answer is 1 into A2 I vector I cap minus A1 J cap. So now take modulus of A vector cross K cap is equal to square root of A2 the whole square plus A1 the whole square. So modulus of A vector cross k cap the whole square is equal to a2 the whole square plus a1 the whole square. And square root cancel ஆயிடும் square பண்ணோம்னா square root into square root cancel ஆயிடும். இப்போ இந்த மூணையும் ஆட் பண்ணோம்னா we will get this answer. So before that I am going to take modulus of a vector is equal to a vector is a1 I vector plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap. இதோட modulus எடுத்தோம்னா square root of a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square. If I take modulus of a vector the whole square is equal to a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square. Let it be. இப்போ நம்ம left hand side எடுத்து right hand side வருதான்னு பார்ப்போம். So left hand side modulus of a vector cross I cap the whole square plus modulus of a vector cross j cap the whole square plus modulus of a vector cross k cap the whole square, which is equal to, இப்போ first one a vector cross I cap the whole square is here, so it is a3 the whole square plus a2 the whole square plus a cross j the whole square is here, a3 the whole square plus a1 the whole square, a cross k the whole square is here, it is plus a2 the whole square plus a1 the whole square. So இது எல்லாத்தையும் இப்போ நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணி பார்த்தோம்னா a3 the whole square 2 times இருக்கு, a1 a3, so 2 times a1 the whole square plus 2 times a2 the whole square plus 2 times a3 the whole square. If I take 2 as a common number, it is a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square. So let me write this as இங்க கிடைச்சிருக்கு இல்லையா a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square. இதை என்னன்னு எழுதலாம், modulus of a vector the whole square ன்னு எழுதலாம். So which is equal to right hand side. So hence proved. So left hand side in the question கொடுத்திருக்கிறதை எடுத்தோம்னா 2 into a vector modulus of a vector the whole square ன்னு proof ஆயிடுது. Then question number 9. Now question number 9, let a vector, b vector, c vector are unique vectors such that a dot b equal to a dot c equal to 0 and then the angle between b and c is pi by 3. Then prove that a vector is equal to plus or minus 2 by root 3 of b vector cross c vector. Now what it is given, a vector, b vector, c vector are unit vectors. So unit vectors means we can take modulus of a vector equal to 1, modulus of b vector equal to 1, modulus of c vector is equal to 1. And it is given a vector dot b vector is equal to a vector dot c vector is equal to 0. That is a vector is perpendicular to both b vector and c vector. Dot product 0 na, it is a vector is perpendicular to b vector and a vector is perpendicular to c vector. So therefore a vector is perpendicular to both b vector and c vector. So we can take this as a vector is equal to b cross c, that is a vector is equal to some scalar of b vector cross c vector அப்படினு எடுத்துக்கலாம். Now let us write down the definition for this. Now let me take the modulus of a vector is equal to lambda of b cross c oda definition, modulus of b vector, modulus of c vector, sin theta n cap. Since it is the unit vector, n cap is equal to 1. Now write down the values for this 1 is equal to lambda 1 into 1, b vector, c vector oda values எல்லாம் 1. Then sin, what is theta? B and C, angle between B and C is pi by 3. So theta is equal to pi by 3. We can take here, we can write theta is equal to pi by 3, it is given, and 1. So what is the value of sin pi by 3? It is root 3 by 2. So 1 is equal to lambda of root 3 by 2. So which implies lambda is equal to, இந்த வேல்யூவை இந்த சைடு கொண்டு வந்தீங்கன்னா taking reciprocal 2 by root 3. So if I take this to this one, so therefore A vector is equal to plus or minus lambda of B vector cross C vector is equal to A vector is equal to plus or minus lambda value is 2 by root 3 into B vector cross C vector. Hence proved. Now question number 10. Now question number 10. Find the angle between the vectors 2i vector plus j vector minus k vector and I vector plus 2j vector plus k vector using vector product. Now let me take A vector is equal to 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap. B vector is equal to I vector plus 2j cap plus k cap. Now using vector product it is given, therefore we can find sin theta is equal to A vector cross B vector divided by modulus of A vector modulus of B vector. Take modulus here also and take separately modulus of A vector modulus of B vector. இப்போ இது எல்லாத்தையும் find out பண்ணிட்டு இந்த ஃபார்முலால substitute பண்ணுவோம். Now first to find the A cross B. So A vector cross B vector is equal to, determinant open பண்ணிக்கோங்க, I, J, K and then write down the coefficients of A and B. See it is 2, 1 minus 1. 2, 1 minus 1. And B vector ku 1, 2, 1. So find the I cap of 1 minus minus plus 1 2 is 2 minus j cap of 2 1 is 2 minus minus plus 1 1 is 1 plus k cap of 2 2s are 4 minus 1 1 is 1. So 2 plus 1 3 3 I cap 2 plus 1 3 minus 3 j cap 4 minus 1 3 plus 3 k cap. So take 3 as common number, then it is I cap minus j cap plus k cap. So modulus of A vector cross B vector is equal to, take square root of, take only I, j, k. So இந்த 3 அப்படியே வச்சுக்கோங்க, இதுக்கு மட்டும் square root எடுத்துக்கோங்க. It is 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square which is equal to 3 root 3. And find the modulus of A vector and modulus of B vector. Modulus of A vector is equal to, A vector is here, இதுக்கு modulus எடுத்துக்கோங்க. So square root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, root 6. Then modulus of B vector is equal to square root of 1 plus 2 plus 1. So 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. Once again it is root 6. So now substitute in the formula, sin theta equal to modulus of A cross B divided by modulus of A vector modulus of B vector is equal to, modulus of A cross B is 3 root 3 divided by modulus of A vector is root 6 into root 6. So root 6 into root 6 is 6. So 3 root 3 by 6. Cancel பண்ணிக்கோங்க, 1 time 2 time. So I am getting sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. இப்போ sin theta ஓட வேல்யூ எப்போ root 3 by 2 இருக்கும்? So it is so sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2 எப்போ இருக்கும்? Theta is equal to 60 degree இருக்கும் பொழுது. So theta is equal to, which implies theta equal to 60 degree. So radianல எழுதுனோம்னா theta is equal to pi by 3 is the answer. So the answer is theta is equal to pi by 3. Thank you all.